In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start your crypto journey in India in 2025 using the TradingView app. As we walk through this tutorial, you'll learn the essentials of navigating the app, helping you to make informed trading decisions. Let's get started. And don't worry if you're new to all this. I'll guide you every step of the way. First, let's begin by opening the TradingView app. If you haven't already downloaded it, you'll find it available on both Android and iOS platforms. Once you have it up and running, you'll want to tap on the Sign Up button. Creating an account is straightforward and mostly involves filling in your basic information. This step is crucial because having an account allows you to save your chart layouts and access them on any device, anywhere. After signing up, you'll be asked to choose your preferred language. Since we're focusing on trading in India, English might be the most convenient choice for many, but feel free to select whichever language you're comfortable with. This step ensures the app interface is easy for you to navigate and understand. Now that you're signed in, it's time to dive into the world of crypto. To get started with analyzing cryptocurrencies, go to the search bar and type in the name of the coin you're interested in, such as Bitcoin, BTC, or any INR trading pairs. This function is pivotal because it helps you quickly find and focus on the cryptocurrency you wish to trade or review. Once you've selected a coin, highlight or bookmark it. This makes it easier to track its performance consistently. Highlighting coins keeps your dashboard organized, allowing you to monitor selected cryptocurrencies without having to search for them repeatedly. Next, you'll want to launch the chart for your selected coin.